Form 2848, Power of Attorney, lets you authorize someone, usually a CPA, attorney, or enrolled agent, to represent you before the IRS and see your tax information. Here's how to fill it out. Part 1 starts with you, the taxpayer, your name, address, and social security number, plus a daytime phone. This is the person being represented. Next, your representative, their name and address and their CAF number, the IRS assigned ID for tax professionals. You can name more than one. Anna appoints Ben Carter, a CPA. Below, you list exactly what they can handle, which tax matters and which years. Then you both sign and date. Click Done to download Form 2848. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com.